Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Monday night live stream. So, just like title and thumbnail suggests, we're going to take a look at what I call the macro bulls, a lot of things that are going on. So, let's just jump right into it. So, first of all, today was actually a pretty good day, and I was quite surprised because if you took a look at what's going on behind the scenes and what's coming up for this week, it would seem like we'd have a pretty tumultuous beginning of this week, but it was actually pretty tame. We'll take a look at that in a second. But I want you to be aware of everything that is coming up and what this could potentially lead to. So macro bull, as I would call it here, is we've got a lot of different macro events that are coming up, which could sway a lot of what the market is going to do. We have manufacturing PMI data, the JOLT job opening data, which actually has been quite stable, which is quite impressive. And the big one, which will be Wednesday, April 2nd, will be President Trump's